Hi everyone, welcome back to the controversial. I know I've been away for quite some time, but I'm back now. I've been busy. First of all, I just want to congratulate the member of the Action SA, the mayoral candidate of Johannesburg, Xolani Khumalo, for deleting the powder kingpin from Nigeria. Well, it was recently reported that his team have deleted the powder kingpin from Nigeria. You know, those people who are busy terrorizing our communities with powder. Our kids are no longer safe. And it is such a mess, but I'm glad that Nigerian was shot and killed. I know a lot of people are complaining, especially from the economic freedom fighters. They're busy complaining about Xolani Khumalo. Well, I just want to applaud him for what he did. Applauding him and his team, obviously, he wasn't alone while they were busy cleaning up the Johannesburg because that guy was shot and killed in the east of Johannesburg. You know, the Action SA has also released a statement and they have stated that that man was involved in drug trafficking, and for too long, drug syndicates have terrorized our communities through violence, intimidation, and total disregard for the law. This is what they said on their statement, and I couldn't agree with them more. We are being played in our country. Criminals are taking over. It's high time we make these drug lords uncomfortable in this country. They need to think again if they want to sell their stuff here. I mean, they should be scared because they will eventually die because they don't follow the law. They kill our people. They're terrorizing our communities. This is a war against South Africa. And what I'm not understanding is that why the economic freedom fighters is busy fighting for illegal activities. This man is a drug dealer. Not only that, I'm just going to say allegedly, this man is a drug dealer. He was involved in drugs, and here you are defending these people. People should wake up, especially those who are voting for economic freedom fighters. The EFF is not for you, okay? Don't be played by these people. The EFF is not for South Africans, and it's clear now. I'm glad Xolani Khumalo is busy exposing this party. This party is not for South Africans. They even released a statement dragging Xolani Khumalo and the Action SA. This is what they wrote actually. Just going to read their statement. It was written by their EFF spokesperson, Sanao Tambo, who described the approach as shallow and irresponsible Trump-style politics and said the attempts to weaponize fear and anxiety through rhetoric is not working. They are now killing suspects as a political campaign and pointing to South Africans, asking you to cheer. I mean, what do you mean? You know exactly that we have a problem of drugs here in South Africa. It's not only the Action SA, by the way, even the General of KwaZulu-Natal, the Commissioner of KwaZulu-Natal, Lieutenant General Nhlanhla, said we've got a problem of drugs. We've got drug cartels who are dealing with a lot. So I don't understand when you say they are using this to campaign. We do, especially in Gauteng. The illegal foreigners are just taking over that province. They're hijacking buildings. In December, we were mourning. They killed DJ Warras. So I don't understand. He was shot and killed for protecting South Africans. He was busy dealing with the hijacked buildings. By the way, do you know what is happening in those hijacked buildings? There's human trafficking. Others are forced to become prostitutes. So I don't understand when you say they're trying to campaign and they're busy killing suspects. No, that guy is not a suspect. It's been reported that he's a drug dealer. Okay, Tambo further criticized the use of extrajudicial killings as a measure of political commitment, stating the measure of political parties' commitment to fight crime will now be how many dead bodies of criminals your mayoral candidate can show the electorate. He warned that such tactics set a dangerous precedent, suggesting that electoral success is being equated with violent outcomes rather than governance and policy. The economic freedom fighters also highlighted how Action SA previously leveraged the death of DJ Warras in Johannesburg to launch a campaign, asserting that the party is now repeating the pattern in Ekurhuleni Action SA is proposing that for a political party to show its commitment against crime, you must show us how many dead bodies of criminal you can produce. That is just a shallow statement. Honestly speaking, that is just a dead statement. I don't understand why are you dragging Action SA and also Xolani Khumalo. Xolani Khumalo is doing very well, unlike your party who's busy defending illegal activities. So you just need to pass off on this one. We as South Africans are going to continue supporting Xolani Khumalo, and people shouldn't consider giving the EFF votes because, wow, what a mess. What nonsense is this? Thanks to the EFF, we are now being disrespected by Nigerians. There's a Consulate General of Nigeria in Johannesburg, here in South Africa, not in Nigeria, by the way. That general has condemned the killing of Nigerian national Emeka Clement Uzo during the anti-drug operation in Randburg. He stated that the incident has raised questions over the safety of Nigerians and other foreigners in South Africa. Excuse me, sir. You are now raising questions over the safety of Nigerians. Why can't you just say this person is a drug dealer or this person is bringing powder to kids? This guy released a statement saying the incident had caused shock and pain to Usa's family, the Nigerian community, and diplomatic missions in South Africa. The unfortunate incident has raised questions over the safety of Nigerians and other foreigners in South Africa. All should be presumed innocent and granted fair hearing in a court of law. No one should take laws into their own hands. Condemn all forms of extrajudicial killings. The Nigerian Union South Africa earlier demanded justice, describing Uzo's killing as brutal and assassination style. I mean, I do not understand. These people, these illegal foreigners are busy protecting each other. No one is going to talk about drugs. The people who are terrorizing the communities in South Africa after taking these drugs. No one is going to talk about that. Our youth is busy taking drugs and there's high unemployment rate. And here you are having the likes of the EFF defending the illegal foreigners in South Africa. They even have balls now to speak about this nonsense. This Nusa people, Nigerian consulate, whatsoever, Emeka Clement has the audacity of telling Xolani Khumalo that, you've done wrong for killing our own criminal. I hope South Africans are watching this, and I hope no one in the comment section will be telling me nonsense, supporting the EFF, supporting illegal activities in this country. Why can't they go and sell drugs in Nigeria, by the way? But they're busy working with police officers who are criminals also. I'm talking about your South African police who are also selling drugs. We can't allow this country to be a shithole. We are going to protect this country, and Action SA is doing quite well. We're happy that they recruited Xolani Khumalo, and we are 100% behind them. Share your views on this one. And let me know on the comment section whether you disagree with me or agree with me. That's okay. Just like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. See you on the next episode.